हेलो एवरीवन। तो गाइस मैं आप सभी को फिर से टॉपिक्स फैमिली चैनल पर आप सभी को स्वागत करते हैं गाइस। तो गाइस आज मैं मतलब अभी मैं जाने वाला हूँ तरालांसो। तरालांसो आज एक प्रोग्राम है, तो उस प्रोग्राम का नाम मैं भूल गया। तो अभी मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको, मेरे पास यहाँ टिकट है। तो प्रोग्राम का टिकट ये। तो गाइस ये आप लोग देख सकते हैं, 1 यूनिट present the runway show 2022 venue Nothengpi KPH, and that is Karbi People Halls, Taralangso Difu। तो वहाँ पर होने वाले गाइस, और मेरे पास 2 टिकट है। और मेरा एक्चुअली मैं एक तो मेरा फ्रेंड को ले लिया था, तो उनने अभी जाने के लिए मना कर दिया क्योंकि उसका दूसरा काम था। तो एक तो वेस्ट हो जाएगा, और मैं वहाँ पर मेरे दोस्त के साथ जा रहा हूँ। मेरा और दोस्त लोग हैं वहाँ पर, तो वो लोग ने बोला है तो एक साथ जाएगा। तो इसलिए मैं अभी घर से निकल रहा हूँ गाइस। तो वहाँ से हम लोग एक साथ जाएगा वहाँ तक। तो इसलिए गाइस आप लोग भी मेरे साथ बने रहिए, और आप लोग को भी मैं वहाँ का शो दिखाऊंगा। तो रनवे शो, तो मैं वहाँ पर आप लोग को भी दिखाऊंगा, तो इसलिए आप लोग मेरे साथ बने रहिए। तो स्टे ट्यून गाइस।
Something like Ari Lason Silo. So that is defined as dan kapre kapre color taglong thaila. So color ke nilitum 8 members do nilitum 1 unit along. Labang so 8 members sangbong nutinta kapre kapre a color favorite color apusondo. Labang so color nilitum kalexi lada bilo labason lo. I hope you understand what I mean to say. So, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any time, let us start our event. We are supposed to start by 4 p.m. Sitamil tum kaching hong la pula bena masa pora teng bena to pangcheng pon tek chadalo. We're really sorry for that. But non bang tum pangcheng ponik pilo nang apor phangno ni pin pen. So before we start our event, I would like to invite my friend, his guests of tonight, all the way from Bali. He's a celebrity fashion director, chairman of Delhi Fashion Club, also a YouTuber of the Voice of Youth. He supports, notices, and promotes the culture through fashion and YouTube. He is none other than my very good friend, Harsi Dringon. I'd like to request my colleague to felicitate him with the Karbi Poho and Karbi jacket. Alang liphan non kang hona simbon kepaji erdona sonlo alang liphan Karbia Poho la pen Karbia choi pen kedeng ponchima de kar cho poncha phansi nili jer pinili long nga chirap tuna tuma phan cho hang poniglo. Alang liphan Poho karba ahud itlum Richard Edwin dun senangma. Can we please have a round of applause? We also have a Karbi jacket for to my friend, also my brother Harshit Dingun. This is a traditional Karbi jacket. Also, I'd like to request to speak a few words about Karbi Anglong. I hope this must be your first time visiting here in Karbi Anglong Difu. So,
first of all, I'd like to say Kardam to all the people out here. Kardam, and a very good evening. And it's amazing. I was in Dimapur, Nagaland, and suddenly Julie invited me. She said, you need to be part of Karbi Anglong as well. This is a very colorful culture, very beautiful culture. And certainly she brought me here, and I'm feeling as if I'm in heaven, because you all people have so beautiful heart. Not only beautiful heart, but beautiful soul as well. The people here are very hospitable and kind, and the culture of Kirby, just a little bit I have got the glimpse through fashion and through this heritage place as well, that this is a place, if anybody will come, certainly will feel as if they are in different world. It certainly needs to be highlighted in all India. Whole India should know about it, because Kirby stands for love, Kirby stands for humanity, and Kirby stands for unity, because Kirby Anglong especially, I will say Kirby Anglong is a place which is not only about just Kirby, but standing for all the tribal people, and this place is a place of love. And I certainly would like to say only one thing, that as we all know that Northeast is a place which certainly needs promotion, and hence we are running an initiative, Reinvent Northeast, through which we are promoting Northeast through fashion and YouTube as well. So this show will be on YouTube channel as well, The Boy, and I'm very thankful to Julie here for bringing me here and making me part of the show. It is certainly a blessing in disguise, and I was not aware that I gonna be here, and I just follow the love of God. For me, love is God, God is love, and love always wins. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Archie, for coming. I hope you'll enjoy the evening.
I would like to say one thing, that I really love this Kirby attire. How I am looking, guys. Fine. आज Kirby बन गया मैं Kirby आके हैं. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for this.
Okay, thank you. You may have your seat now. Personal taxi, Litu Malong Ladakh, media. My friends from Media Fraternity, I would like to felicitate them, introduce and felicitate them with the Karbi Poho. Firstly, I'd like to call from Karbi Anglong today, Longbir Terang, and Sarim Tiso. I request my friend to felicitate him with the Karbi Poho. I request both of you to come together. Okay. I would also like to call my friend Longsodar Inti from Karbi Anglong Live News Channel to come over here. Longsodar Inti Doma, Mohajong Nili Teglongason, Nanglito Protang Te, Prabjin Pladak, Athing Non Kivanche Pansi Jonimvilo. Longsodar Inti from Karbi Anglong Live News Channel. Alang levde to hypo. So alright, it's okay. Let moala felicitation man ke man sil tum en ponte kompo. Sa minon bangil tum apor pada make pitlo po apor singil tum apor phangno ni pin penona bangke. Kitcheng sing opening song. Lu le tum arju poneglonan. Non le tum phangno no parju ponji ke solo song, solo performance by Serlin Baby.
Down on the beat. Cholo sige. Landa be.
hai madhuram lek the la pana ke hai dor sing nong hang alang litum hin ba sing pu poni po alang litum leng ti bat lo pulotang te reach out epic senang Labang so video album amen ke teron pi kachai pu nang litum YouTube along thek pon long ikpo alang litum non release lo posi pinong wepan kinang litum YouTube along search lo plotang te long ponikpo litum non nang litum atheng no paklang ji pusi matha los kami lada sab so network ka to ra ke to ko pena join to paklang pon igone det po labang so teron pi kachai along producer lake sangpi Sabina Teronpi lapen project manager lake Robinson Crow lapen
I hear a lot about I'll be insane. Don't think that I'll be insane, but I might go down
The color
to
theme of the
rain.
sequence is green color.
'Cause the way that sky
And the designer of the sequence is
making me sing. Then the
Sudipta
way you
Kaur.
hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy, 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 holy. On God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait not a second. That's the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold. Feel so holy. I don't do well with that drama. And no, I can't stand it being fake. No, 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 no. I don't believe in nirvana. By the way that we love in the night, give me life, baby. I can't explain. By the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. It's so holy, 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 holy. Holy, holy, holy. Feel so holy. It's taking too young and the people's out of this and don't go rushing. Why expensive foods rushing? But I don't know. It's taking too young and the people's out of blessing. Don't go rushing. Why expensive foods rushing? But I don't know. Might be the hardest to take, but when you come out of the water, I'm a believer, my heart is fleshy. Life is strong with the temper, like Joy Pesci. You're always trying to sing your presence, your name is sketchy. But I didn't see you, I will see you, playing busy. Cross between Hesse, in the touch me, when they gone messy, gone lefty, like Lionel Messi. Let's take a trip and get a West Bars, or in a jet ski. I know the squad that got the best week, we going next week. I wanna honor you, guys. Cool, I'm a fast child. I know when the sun's take the first step, the fast sprout. If you make it to the water, if you find a cloud, I know he'll make you wear snake like Oscar Price. Suffer you to peace and now God is feeding up. Families and union and community he can trust. I know I'm leaving you like I know he leaving us. I know we believe in God, I know God believe in us. Hold me, hold me, hold me.